Dollar Tree just dropped a new garden lineup, and buried in the aisles are items that can replace tools people normally spend $20, $30, even $40 on. I walked the store with a very specific goal to find pieces that are actually useful, actually new, and actually worth putting in your garden this year. These aren't filler finds or repeat hauls. These are smart, budget-friendly supplies that can save you money, space, and time right now, and one of them is already blowing up online for a reason. Welcome back to Timeless Gardening. If you love practical garden ideas, honest testing, and making your space look good without overspending, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, let me know where you're watching from. City, state, or country. Drop it in the comments because I love seeing how far this community reaches, and it helps shape future content. And if you want more budget garden finds, seasonal tips, and real-world testing, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's go straight into it. Item number 1. Self-watering planters that actually work. Item number 1 is one of the most practical Dollar Tree garden finds I've seen in a long time, and that's their new self-watering planters. These are not the flimsy decorative pots you usually expect at this price point. They come with a built-in water reservoir at the bottom that slowly feeds moisture back to the soil as your plant needs it. That means less daily watering, fewer dried-out plants, and a lot more consistency, especially during hot weeks or when life gets busy. For herbs, peppers, flowers, and even small tomatoes, this design does exactly what it's supposed to do. What really makes these worth grabbing is the value compared to garden centers. Similar self-watering planters regularly sell for $15 to $40, and these function the same way for a fraction of the cost. They're perfect for patios, balconies, porches, and even indoor plants that tend to dry out too fast. If you've ever struggled with overwatering one week and underwatering the next, this single item can solve that problem almost immediately, which is why it earns the number 1 spot. Item number 2. Pot huggers that add personality without taking space. Item number 2 is one of those small details that makes a big visual difference, and that's Dollar Tree's pot huggers. These are little decorative figures designed to clip right onto the edge of your planters, so they add character without crowding your soil or competing with your plants. You'll find frogs, bees, butterflies, turtles, and other garden-friendly designs, and they work just as well outdoors as they do on indoor houseplants. They're lightweight, weather-resistant, and surprisingly sturdy for the price. What makes these especially smart is how flexible they are. You can use them to mark different plants, create themed garden areas, or make kids feel more involved in gardening without handing them something fragile. They're also a great way to refresh the look of old planters without buying new ones. For $1 and change, this is an easy upgrade that instantly makes your garden feel more intentional and welcoming. Item number 3. Floral yard stakes that instantly fill empty spaces. Item number 3 is one of the easiest ways to make a garden look full and finished, even when plants are still growing, and that's Dollar Tree's floral yard stakes. These metal stakes feature bright, whimsical flower designs that add instant color to garden beds, borders, and planters. They're tall enough to be seen from a distance, and lightweight enough to move around as your garden changes through the season. If you've ever looked at bare spots and thought your garden felt unfinished, this solves that problem fast. What really sets these apart is how versatile they are. You can cluster them together for visual impact, use them to outline walkways, or tuck them behind smaller plants for layered depth. Many gardeners also customize them with a quick clear seal or spray paint to match their color scheme. For temporary color, seasonal decorating, or filling gaps without spending a lot, this is one of those simple tools that makes your space feel intentional right away. Item number 4. Continuous mist spray bottles that change how you water. Item number 4 is one of those tools you don't realize you need until you use it once, and that's the continuous mist spray bottle. Unlike a standard spray bottle that requires constant pumping and delivers uneven bursts of water, this one releases a steady ultrafine mist with a single squeeze. That gentle spray is ideal for seedlings, freshly planted soil, and delicate plants that can be damaged by heavy watering. It also sprays at any angle, even upside down, which makes it far more practical than it sounds at first. Where this really shines is in day-to-day plant care. You can mist house plants, orchids, air plants, and cuttings without disturbing roots or compacting soil. It's also perfect for applying foliar feeds or increasing humidity during hot, dry weather. Comparable continuous misters usually cost $10 or more, yet this one performs the same job for a fraction of the price. Once you start using it, it becomes one of those grab-first tools that quietly makes everything easier. Item number 5, wall-mounted garden thermometers. You'll actually use. Item number 5 is one of the most overlooked but genuinely useful garden tools. And that's the wall-mounted garden thermometer. This isn't just decorative filler. It gives you a quick, reliable visual of the actual conditions in your garden so you can make better decisions day to day. Knowing the real temperature helps you spot frost risks, recognize heat-stress days, and understand when plants need extra water or protection. It's a simple tool that quietly improves your timing, which matters more in gardening than most people realize. What makes these especially worth grabbing is how easy they are to place and read. Mounted in a shaded area near your garden or patio, they provide far more accurate information than checking a phone app that pulls data from miles away. Many of these also include floral or welcome style designs, so they blend into your space instead of looking purely functional. For $1 and change, this is one of those purchases that pays off all season long by helping you respond to your garden instead of guessing. Item number 6, hanging planter chains for small space gardens. Item number 6 is a simple piece that opens up a lot of growing space, and that's Dollar Tree's hanging planter chains. These sets come with a sturdy hook and 3 chains designed to hold medium-sized planters securely. They're ideal for patios, balconies, decks, and anywhere you want to grow upward instead of outward. If ground space is limited, this one item instantly lets you add more plants without crowding what you already have. These chains work especially well for trailing and lightweight plants like strawberries, cherry tomatoes, herbs, petunias, and fuchsias. They're weather-resistant, easy to adjust, and surprisingly strong for the price. Used correctly, they create a clean vertical look while improving airflow and sun exposure for your plants. For anyone gardening in a small space or trying to maximize every square foot, this is one of those low-cost tools that makes a big functional difference. Item number 7, needlepoint precision pruners for detail work. Item number 7 is a must-have if you do any kind of careful hands-on plant care, and that's the needlepoint precision pruners. These are very different from standard pruning shears. The narrow pointed blades are designed to reach into tight spaces so you can trim exactly what you want without damaging surrounding growth. This makes them perfect for delicate jobs where control matters more than power. They're especially useful for deadheading flowers, harvesting herbs, thinning seedlings, and maintaining houseplants or bonsai. Instead of tearing or crushing stems, these give you clean, precise cuts that help plants recover faster. While they're not meant for thick or woody branches, they shine in everyday maintenance tasks that happen constantly throughout the growing season. For the price, this is one of the most practical tools you can keep within arm's reach in your garden kit. Item number 8, whiskey barrel planters for rustic style and function. Item number 8 brings both charm and practicality to any garden space, and that's the Dollar Tree whiskey barrel planters. These plastic barrels mimic the rustic look of traditional wooden barrels, but without the weight, rot risk, or high price tag. They come in multiple sizes, include drainage holes, and are surprisingly versatile for flowers, herbs, or small vegetables. Whether placed on a front porch, deck, or patio, they instantly give a polished, country-inspired look. Beyond aesthetics, these planters are incredibly functional. The larger sizes are perfect for compact vegetable gardens, lettuce, kale, and even dwarf tomato varieties, while the smaller barrels make beautiful herb clusters or seasonal flower arrangements. You can even use them as bases for DIY projects, like fairy gardens, topiaries, or solar fountain setups. For gardeners who love both style and utility, these barrels provide a durable, lightweight solution that elevates your space without breaking the bank. Item number 9. Clear plastic planter saucers. Item number 9 might seem simple, but clear plastic planter saucers are one of the most practical Dollar Tree finds for any gardener. Available in multiple sizes from 4 inches up to 12 inches. They protect surfaces from water damage, catch excess drainage, and make your pots easier to move without spilling soil. Because they're clear, they blend with any planter style, and don't distract from your garden's aesthetic, which makes them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Their usefulness goes beyond just catching water. You can turn them into shallow humidity trays for tropical plants, create DIY bird baths, or even use them to organize small garden supplies like seeds and plant tags. Adding pebbles or moss to a saucer can also create a mini watering system for delicate plants. At just $1.25, these are one of those small tools that quietly solve multiple problems, making them essential for anyone serious about keeping plants healthy and their space clean. Item number 10. Fairy garden accessories for endless creativity. Item number 10 is all about imagination and fun. Dollar Tree's fairy garden accessories. These miniature pieces include tiny gnomes, fairies' houses, fences, bridges, animals, and furniture, all perfectly scaled for small planters or terrariums. They're ideal for creating whimsical scenes in your garden, adding personality to a plain planter, or involving kids in hands-on gardening projects. Even a single piece can instantly transform a small space into something magical. The versatility is incredible. You can combine them with a 14-inch self-watering planter, moss and succulents, to craft your own fairy garden, or use them as decorative elements for themed seasonal displays. They also make excellent gifts or small craft-based business products, with many gardeners turning simple $1.25 items into full fairy garden kits that sell for $25, $50. With just a little creativity, these accessories turn ordinary gardening into an interactive and visually stunning experience. And there you have it, a complete lineup of 10 fresh, practical, and fun Dollar Tree garden finds that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to make your garden look amazing. Stay organized and thrive all season long. From the self-watering planters that keep your herbs and flowers perfectly hydrated, to the whimsical fairy garden accessories that let your creativity run wild, each of these items brings a mix of style, function, and affordability that's hard to beat. The pot huggers add charm without taking up soil space. The floral yard stakes fill in bare spots with instant color, and the continuous mist spray bottles make plant care easier than ever. Tools like the needlepoint precision pruners and hanging planter chains bring serious functionality for busy or small space gardeners, while the whiskey barrel planters and clear plastic saucers combine style with practical problem solving. Even the wall-mounted thermometer ensures you're responding to your garden's needs instead of guessing, turning small dollar purchases into meaningful season-long results. If you loved any of these items, drop a comment below to let me know which one you're adding to your own garden setup, and tell me where you're watching from, your city, state, or country, because I love seeing how far our gardening community stretches. Don't forget to like this video if Dollar Tree's budget-friendly tools save you money or spark your creativity, and subscribe to Timeless Gardening so you never miss a new haul, tip, or seasonal DIY idea. Hit that notification bell so you'll know the second I post the next batch of clever, affordable garden finds. And be sure to share this video with friends or family who want to make their gardens look amazing without overspending. Gardening on a budget doesn't mean compromising on style, quality, or fun. And with these 10 fresh finds, you're already ahead of the game this season. Happy gardening, friends, and I'll see you in the next one.